Okay, let's review how to create a parent account in the CSS profile. Terrible directions from the College Board on this. Very difficult and convoluted, but go to CSS Profile or just Google it, cssprofile.org. It'll come up. This year you're logging into 25-26. Over here, you would think you would put your email in and connect it to your student's account as the non-custodial, but the answer is no. You're going to come over here and create an account, and even though these questions are directed at the student, you're actually going to put your name in here, okay? Answer these questions, put your date of birth in. I'm going to put a fake date of birth. Born in 1950, I guess. You do have to put your graduation year in. So just randomly pick something. You got to put that in there and then select this. I'm no longer in high school, right? And then over here, do not put anything in the personal information. I would say you only want emails that you need. I'm sorry, personal information, put your address. So I'm going to make up an address right now, just for the purposes of demonstrating for you. Okay. And then over here in parent information, take your information out or else it's going to stop you and say, okay, I agree with the legal terms, hit next. Okay, okay, it didn't match, my zip code didn't match. Okay, so these are the types of errors you'll come into. So 02790. Okay, let's do that. Let's try it again. There we go. And it's going to ask you these things, right? There's my fake date of birth. There we go. Okay, verify your email. And you can send again. Good luck.